What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be trying out a lot of products from the brand, which I am new to, but am in love with already, Daneesa Myricks Beauty. So I tried one of these Twin Flames multi-chrome pigments for eyes and face from Beautylish, and I immediately fell in love and ordered like almost every single color. No, I only have 4. I would like more, yes. But and then I also was very intrigued by, they're called the Infinite Chrome Flakes Multi-Chrome Gel for Eyes and Flakes. So I was a little bit more hesitant about these because I'm like, flakes, like how well are they gonna stay on the eye? And on the Beautylish website, when you would pick a color, it wouldn't show you like a swatch, or they had pictures of models with them on the eyes, but they didn't tell you like which one is which. I did watch like one review video on YouTube, and from what I gathered, not all of them went on like smoothly. So I did buy one that the person was trying them said went on smoothly, because I wanted to make sure it did. And then I got a sample of her foundation / concealer, and I was like, damn, this is amazing. So I bought that. That is the Vision Cream Cover 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Now, you don't get much. You get 0.34 ounces, but it was only like $22. Now, if you consider a concealer, like a concealer could be more than that, and that's the size of it. But I'm going to be using it as a foundation. And then I also bought this Lilac Quartz. It's like a duochrome eyeliner. So I'm going to swatch them all again, but there is the eyeliner. It's really cool. It has a shift to it. So, okay, so we have Crazy For You. That was the first one I bought. And it's a gorgeous, like, green and gold. Okay, so I've been wearing these for a few weeks, and I love them, but I have one issue with them. They're too long wearing. Like, it's awesome that they are super long wearing, but when I go to take them off at night, it is so hard. And they've kind of like dried down, and they're kind of like cracked. So it's not the most comfortable thing. But they will stay on your eyelids, trust and believe. So the next one is AMOUR. Oh shoot, now I gotta remember which is which. This is like, you know what? Oh, I can't, I'm using my phone. This is a lavender bluish. Oh, I'm seeing other colors in there now. Okay, next is my most recent adoption, Young Love. And that's like a pink and like maybe ice white. And then we have Angel Heart. Ooh, it's really pretty. It is this one right here. Oh, what should I do my look with? I have not used Young Love yet, but I'm looking at Crazy Heart, or Angel Heart right now, and I'm like, ooh. Okay, so here is the Infinite Chrome Flakes, and I got it in Lightning Bolt. So I think this was described as like a gold with like a chartreuse. So here's what it looks like. So here is that. So I'll definitely be trying that on because I have not tried that yet. I'm trying to wipe it off and like they don't even want to come off. So I'm just going to use this foundation and concealer to prime my eyes. And it is super full coverage. No, these are also available on Sephora, but Sephora and Beautylish do not have every single color. Her website does, but Beautylish has the most. Angel Heart. So that was like, no, I'm gonna try the new one, Young Love. So it definitely has pink in it. There's a big shocker there. So I'm going to be using my Colourpop Cloud Spun palette for the crease. In my crease. And then I'm going to come back and we can try it out. So we're going to go in with Young Love. Most of them go on pretty well. Like, look at that. There's one, I can't think of which one off the top of my head right now. I put it on my brush and then I go in. And I find that it gives it a smoother application. I kind of want to do it with this one too. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and get it off the wand. Look at that. Use these flakes. So there's gold and green. I think I'm gonna go crazy and use this Anastasia Norvina palette volume 3 because I never use like these yellow and greens, so I might as well. Right, so now I'm gonna go in with these crazy ass things. But I would like to give a shout out to the owner and creator of this brand. She is a beautiful Black woman living her best life and making some bomb ass makeup. So props to you. Okay. Yeah. It's very like cold and wet, but I do see it's starting to build up to like an even layer. So I'm actually going to wait for that to dry before I put anything in my outer corner. But I do want to go in with that eyeliner. Where is it? In Lilac Quartz. I'm in love with both of them. I don't know which one I like the best. Okay, I'm going to go do my eyebrows and put some magnetic lash glue on, and then I'm going to come back and we will we'll put on the foundation. Yeah, I can speak. All right. Okay, so now we are going to be putting this bomb as foundation / concealer on our face. So I already primed with my Farsalia liquid glass. So what color is mine? I got it in number 2. So yeah, I usually have a brush that I like to put it on with, but I don't have one. So we're just gonna use my fingertips. Now I that like went in my mouth. I usually use a cream concealer and a liquid, but because you guys obviously want to see this foundation alone, I'm not going to use a cream concealer or cream foundation. All right, now I'm going to buff it out with my Ultimate Blending Brush by e.l.f. And look at that coverage and the finish too. Okay, so here is the foundation. I'm going to go off camera and finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back and show you the finished look. Okay, so real quick, I wanted to come on, and I got this sample card of the Daneesa, I don't know if it's Daneesa or Daneesa Myricks Beauty Vision Flush Lip, Cheek, and Eye Color. So I'm going to use this as a blush. I really want to use the pink one, but it won't go with this side. So I'm going to use this one right here. Let's brush and just take a tiny bit. Okay, that was too much. I'm going to staple it off. Okay. That was way too much. It's very pretty. That's better. Okay, so let me show you how we fix this. First, I will use my beauty blender, and then I'm going to take some sort of radiant powder. This is my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light with a big brush, and we're going to go over it. And I just realized I completely forgot to put bronzer on. So let me do that. Okay, so here is the finished look. Okay, so I adore the foundation. Like, look at that. Oh, my skin just looks flawless. I am loving the Twin Flames cream eyeshadow in, which one did I wear? Young Love or something Love? Anyways, I love this formula except for when I have to take it off. This, I think, is stunning, but it was super hard to put eyeliner over it dry, and I had put magnetic eyeliner on it, and it just ruined it. I ended up having to take the whole eye off and start over again. So, I mean, while, yeah, it's so stunning. I just wish it performed a little better. And it seems like it starts to come off a little bit as time goes on. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this demo of these products, and to thank you guys for supporting me and my channel, I have a little gift. So I am going to be giving away one of the Daneesa Myricks Twin Flames Multichrome Pigment Cream Eyeshadow, and this is in Angel Heart. So let me swatch that one for you guys again, so you know which one it is. Look how stunning that is. So you have to be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission. It is a US giveaway only. You must be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My handle is natrosemusictomakeup, and tag one of your friends in any one of my photos. I'll put all the official rules and regulations in the description box below. I am also going to give away a makeup brush cleaner soap, or you can use it as a regular soap too. I use it for everything, but you can use this when you're having difficulty getting this eyeshadow off your eye or off your brushes. So the scent is in Rose Gold, which is legit my favorite scent ever. So yeah, leave a comment down below. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.